Hello, my name is Adija Greer-Smith. I'm the owner and operator right here at Confectionately Yours Bakery. Confectionately Yours is located in the beautiful Sherman, Phoenix, right in the Sherman Park area. And it is a co-op space for small business owners. This place is full of energy and family-oriented opportunities where you can come by and you can just get a wonderful dessert, have some great spring rolls, and so many more great things here. So welcome to Confectionately Yours. Today I'm going to be sharing one of my favorite recipes with you. My grandmother was a huge inspiration in my life and how I started my baking career. And in full honor of her, I am making one of her favorite holiday desserts, and that's the sweet potato pie. My family comes from the South, but I was born right here in the city, so I have a lot of Southern roots. And this pie is something that my family had almost every Sunday. But around the holidays, it's become very, very instrumental. It's kind of one of those things that you just have to have. That sweet potato pie, if you haven't had it, it's kind of like a pumpkin pie, just a little bit different, and we use a different type of vegetable. So we're gonna start with some cooked sweet potatoes. These are hot, and this is how you wanna start those. I'm gonna go ahead and throw those sweet potatoes right in that mixer, and we're gonna add some butter. You wanna find some butter that's room temperature, soft enough for you to squeeze like this. And you're gonna go ahead and just add that butter right on top of those warm sweet potatoes. Now I'm using 2 sticks of butter. It sounds like a lot, but it's never enough butter. You can never have too much of that. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start mixing those sweet potatoes. Now we're gonna start adding all those other ingredients that helps to bring this pie together. We're gonna add some evaporated milk. Now we're gonna add some eggs. Eggs are used as a binder. That's kind of what brings everything together. So we're gonna add some eggs in there and give that a good mix. Now we're gonna add some sugar. What's a good dessert without the sweet part, right? And then finally, we're gonna add some cinnamon, nutmeg, and a little bit of vanilla extract. Here, I'm gonna just go ahead and just kind of bring all of that together. Make sure it's all combined well. Now this pie filling is going to have more of a loose texture before you put it into your pie shell, so don't worry, it's supposed to look that way. And I'm gonna fill that just about 3/4 ways up. And now the real magic happens. But you gotta be patient because it takes a while for it to bake, but I promise you it's so worth the wait. Around the holidays, caramel apples are one of those treats that I think everyone gets excited about. So today I'm going to show you how you can do something like this right at home. You only need a few ingredients. You're going to want to have some Granny Smith apples, caramel, chocolate, and if you want to go the extra mile, then maybe some different nuts. But it's not necessary, but I like the extra nuts. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with some nice clean and dry apples. I've already pre-cleaned these apples and they are nice and dry. I'm gonna spray a little bit of nonstick spray on this sheet just so that it doesn't stick. These apple sticks are gonna be something you need as well. You can find these at a local craft store or a Walmart, especially around this time of the holiday. Hold that apple really still and you're gonna press that stick just about halfway through. You should be able to hold it and it doesn't move around too bad, okay? Once you get all of your apples prepped, then it's time to have fun. Make sure that caramel is nice and smooth, but you don't want it extra loose because it'll just run completely off the apples. You still want it to have some firmness to it, but you're able to move it. I'm gonna start and I'm just gonna dip that apple through there and then I'm gonna use my fingers and I'm gonna spread that caramel around. So as you can see, I just grabbed a nice amount of that and now I'm gonna take my fingers and I'm just gonna form it around the apple. I found that if the caramel is a little bit more stiff, you can move it better. You can kind of make it do what you want it to do. If it's too loose, it'll just run everywhere. You want it to have some firmness to it. And you can always add a little bit more if you like. so these are some roasted and salted pecans, and I'm just gonna roll that apple right in there. And I'm just gonna use my hands here, and I'm just gonna press more nuts into the caramel there. These are ingredients, again, you can find at a grocery store. Caramel melts, I believe Kraft makes them, a couple different brands of caramel you can find, but you can always make your own like we do here at Confectionately Yours. So now that I have those nuts on there, some people would say, well, just stop there. No way. You gotta put the icing on the cake, right? So I have some tempered chocolate. You can use milk chocolate, white chocolate, dark chocolate, whatever you like. And I'm just gonna drizzle chocolate all over that apple. There's no special way to do it, because the truth is, you just kind of want chocolate everywhere. If you're ever in the Sherman Park area, please stop by Confectionately Yours. Give us a visit. We specialize in everything sweet, and we would love to have you in our kitchen. Bye, happy holidays.